Hey guys, in this video I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how you go about creating a Twitter account. What we want to do is head on over to twitter.com and I'll link their webpage right at the top of the video description. So once we're over at twitter.com, what we want to do is from their homepage, click on where it says sign up. And that's going to take us to the create your account page. And what we want to do here is enter in your name, your phone number. And if you'd rather use an email instead of a phone number, just click here where it says use email instead, and then also put in your date of birth, the month, the day, and the year. And then after you enter in all this information, click the next option. And that takes us over to the next area where it says customize your experience. This is optional whether you want to check this or not. Essentially, if you have this box checked, it gives Twitter the right to use your data to personalize your experience. This web browsing history will never be stored with your name, email, or phone number. So if you want a more catered experience to your web using activities, then you can keep this box checked. Otherwise, you can uncheck it here and then go ahead and click the next option. And that takes us to step 3 of 5 for create your account. You can enter in your name, your email or phone number, as well as your birth date. Just double check to make sure this information is accurate. And then by clicking sign up, you agree to the terms of service, privacy policy, cookie use, as well as privacy option. And you can go over and take a look at those closer if you want to read through them. And once everything checks out to you, you can go ahead and click sign up. At this point, Twitter is going to send you a verification code, and this is either going to be to the phone number that you had entered in or the email that you're going to be using for your account. And in the inbox of your email, you should get a confirmation from Twitter with a verification code that you're going to be using to enter in. So then you simply enter in that verification code and click next. And then you'll need to set up a password. Make sure that the password contains at least 8 characters or more. So you can enter in your password right here and then click next. And then that takes us over into our Twitter account where the first thing it asks us is that we can pick a profile picture. And if you want, you can skip this for now by clicking this option in the upper right-hand corner, or you can add a profile picture by clicking on this little camera right here. So then if you want, when you select a profile picture, you can zoom in and zoom out to change the cropping. But once everything looks good to you, you can click apply. And then it asks for you to describe yourself in a short, quick bio. And once you enter in your bio, click next. And then it gives you the option, if you want, you can find friends and see who they follow, and you can upload your contacts, or you can skip this option and click not now. And then it'll give you some suggestions of who you might want to follow. And it's not a bad idea to scroll through this list and click the little follow button on the different people that you might have interest in, seeing what they have to tweet out. And you can really scroll through this list as long as you want and keep clicking follow on the people that you might be interested in seeing what they have to tweet out. But once you're satisfied with the amount of follows that you've thrown out there, you can click follow and then that'll take you to the next page. And if you want, you can turn on notifications and you can click allow notifications by clicking this option, or you can skip this. And that will officially take you over to the homepage of your Twitter account. And if you want to send out a tweet for yourself, you can do this right here at the top of your Twitter page. And you can also do this by clicking the tweet option here on the side. So just to run through what these different tabs are on the side, the home tab is going to be your home page where people that you follow on Twitter, their relevant tweets are going to populate this area, and you can scroll down your home feed to see the different things that the people that you're following are tweeting out. You can click the Explore tab, which is going to curate stories and things that are trending that you might be interested in, and you can also see all these different categories for news and things such as that up here if you'd like to filter it through these different options. You can look at your notifications, you can look at your messages, which you can send back and forth between yourself and other people who are on Twitter. You can also create lists, but this is more of an advanced feature once you get more comfortable with using Twitter that you can potentially utilize more in the future. You can click the connect option, which is just essentially going to give you recommendations of individuals and different accounts that you might want to follow based on your interests and other people that you followed. And once you're on your profile tab, you can click where it says edit profile over here to change some of the different settings on your Twitter account. And whenever you send out tweets, if you go over to your profile page, they will populate this area with tweets that you've sent out, as well as tweets and replies that you've sent out, different media things that you've shared, as well as the tweets that you have liked. So I hope this video was helpful, showing you how you can go about creating a Twitter account, how to sign up, and then how to get things set up. So I hope this video is helpful. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll catch you back here next time.